Savvy Tech Grandma here again. Join me as I dive into the world of Google Lens on Chrome and challenge myself to discover all the hidden features it has to offer. Did you know that you can search for information just by selecting it? Google Lens is an innovative tool integrated into Chrome that enhances online searching capabilities. I don't even have a camera attached to my desktop computer, but my mouse acts like a camera. I am just naturally a curious person. I remember as a child, I would sometimes ask my parents questions to which they didn't know the answers. They would say, "Go to the library." We lived 3 miles away from town, 4 miles from the library. So basically, I would never get answers to my questions. With the internet, I could type in my questions, but what if it's a thing? I have to try and describe it to Google. Now, all I have to do is select what it is I question, and immediately Google has an answer for me. I take images of flowers and plants with my phone and upload them to the Google Drive. I can access them on my desktop, so I can pull up one of those images like this and find any information I could possibly want to know about that plant. If there's a word I don't know the meaning of, like this, I don't even know how to pronounce this one, I can highlight it, go to Google Lens in the menu and, oops, I highlighted more than just the words, so Google Lens is trying to figure out what the image is. I carefully highlight just the word, and I'm asked if I want to select text or translate it. I choose select text, and instantly I have a definition. I found this image of petroglyphs interesting and wondered if it really was in Idaho. So I used Google Lens. Sure enough, it's in Idaho. This antique lamp was interesting. I wanted to know more about its origins, so I used Google Lens. Looks like it was a Hollywood Regency lamp. This is a beautiful antique container. Yep, used Google Lens. It appears to be Japanese porcelain. You can take any image or screenshot, any portion of a website you want more information about, and instantaneously get information with Google Lens. Let me know what kind of experiences you have had with Google Lens, or if you know another tool that is really helpful. Well, that's about it for Google Lens for today. This has been Tech Grandma. Bye for now.